All right, I have 2 Carnival cruise ship stories for you today, and we've booked another cruise. Let's get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, yes, I have Miko with me today, my very unofficial cruise mascot, but he is wanting some attention. But let's get right on into our cruise story today. First, I want to talk about a cruise that we have booked. We have officially booked Alaska for 2023. We're going to be going on the Discovery Princess, May 21st round trip from Seattle. So that's done, booked, and ready to go. Now we're just counting down that cruise. Now on to our Carnival Cruise Line stories. First one's going to be the Carnival Paradise has officially gotten her new Carnival colors after completing her recent dry dock in Spain. And here shortly, she's going to start the long trip home back to Tampa, Florida. And second, the Carnival Radiance arrived in Miami, Florida yesterday after completing a transatlantic crossing. Now the Carnival Radiance has just come out of dry dock after getting a $200 million upgrade to bring her up to Fun Ship 2.0. And she will be in Miami to resupply, take on some additional cruises before she will continue through the Panama Canal to Long Beach, California to begin Mexican Riviera cruises on December the 13th. Mark, I know that is a date you are waiting for, December the 13th, and the Carnival Radiance is on her way. And that's going to be it today for the cruise news, a really super short video. If you did enjoy it, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourselves a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.